Wait, Mom, stop! Mom, stop! Mom, stop!
No, I gotta go. Go. I'll follow you. Go. Oh. I dropped my phone.
We love campfiring. We love sleeping. We love sleeping in the night. We had a good night. We love diving. We love having camp. I love. We love. Never mind. Camp. We love. Eating marshmallows.
All right, show me.
Say when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Arr! Lando! Mom, come here. Get down. Mom, I saw her. Scares me. Okay.
Is Haley hiding?
Yes! She is! I saw her head!
She is not.
Hey, can you
I
put the
saw
light
her
back?
head! How dare her!
Can you put?
Hey, Mom.
Oh, sorry.
Mom, girls are not allowed in here. Only you, Dad, Cutter, and Willie.
Are you playing a boy game?
Yeah, but not Haley.
Be nice, okay?
I know how you go.
Hey, get out of there!
Just hanging out in Colorado.
Yes!
Let's see what Doug's doing for work. Hey everybody, we're just hanging out here in Dolores, Colorado at a really amazing RV place. It's called The View. It's about 20 minutes from Mesa Verde, 10 minutes from Cortez, and we just kind of happened upon it because we didn't have a place to stay. We hadn't booked it ahead of time, and they had a place that night, and it has the most awesome view. But I was going to show you our bedroom because here is my bed so far, and it's got Carter's bedding because he sleeps on the couch and he doesn't know where to put his stuff during the day. And I have tons of these laundry baskets full of clean clothes that I had to wash before we left, but I didn't have time to pack them. And I have these Tupperware bins that we're going to be storing under this bed and also the kids' beds. And so you can't see, but right here there's 4 baskets. I don't know if you can see. The sun's in the way. 4 baskets and then 3 over there. And then a closet full of clothes, and we haven't even put away these laundry baskets. So it's crazy. We brought too much stuff, and it's funny because we downsized a bunch. But we were saying last night, like, what's the opposite of growing pains? Because when you move an RV, you just have to shrink down. So I guess it's shrinking pains. It's so hard. We downsized so much. We thought we were not bringing not a lot of stuff, and it's still too much stuff. So we're going to have to just dump some stuff. I already got rid of like 4 boxes of food that just don't fit because I'm used to cooking in bulk and shopping in bulk at Costco. And just, I'm going to have to cook in smaller doses and go shopping more often. And as far as clothes go, we brought way too much. So we're going to donate a bunch of clothes and just have the basics. But it's definitely hard because I thought we were being so good at first, but shrinking pains are real, people. Anyway, we're gonna head to Mesa Verde Caves. Wish us luck.
No, it's from the sun. Oh yeah. You want? Say you want this pickle for a nickel? Want this pickle for a nickel?
Sure.
You're supposed to say, how about 2 cents?
How about 2 cents?
And 2. I got 2 pickles. 2 pickles. Yeah.
Get up and let her.
Feed it to the birdies. Shoo. Just kidding. Here you go. Lots of bits.
Bits are good.
here.
This from McDonald's.
Hey!
All right.
I'm videoing. How are you?
See you all.
How are you?
Hey!
Thanks for meeting
Oh,
up.
that was so cool.
We just got here.
Hey, I want to remember me. Oh, great. All right.
How are you? Want some ice cream? Tell me your name again. Tristan. We're cousins, huh? You remember us from great grandma's funeral in Utah? You might have
You're all
forgotten.
nice and warm, man. I'm just hold you for a minute. I've been on my motorcycle.
Videoing the love.
To get here.
Biker's rad, man.
Sweet motorcycle. Sweet motorcycle. Sweet.
They have. These are your bikes? That's nice.
This is what we're doing.
I'd like to sit on the back
Alan doesn't have
of
much
it.
to ride with, so I.
I would love to sit in the back.
Which
of it.
one's yours?
This one's Alan. This one's mine. Holy cow, he's a
You got
This is serious. That's a serious bike.
This one is blue.
Nice.
Yes. That one's mine, yeah.
Alan, this thing is sweet.
That thing's
Oh,
sweet.
man, isn't it nice?
My boys are gonna think you're like the coolest guy in the world now. They're gonna talk about this the whole trip.
We've been having fun. We went riding today.
Did
We
you?
went 60 miles yesterday out to the lake. Now, if you go to McPhee, out here, it's beautiful. I don't know how long you're going to stay in town.
Just
You're going to go to
another
Mesa
day.
Verde?
Tomorrow's Mesa Verde,
Okay.
and then we were gonna maybe stay just one more night tomorrow night, and then head out the next day. So we got to get to Albuquerque by the weekend because there's a balloon festival that we have tickets for.
Oh, yeah, the balloon festival
Yeah.
is really nice.
We've never been to there, so we're excited about that.
And she
There's
wants to be
80
here.
balloons, though. It's beautiful.
Yeah,
Really, this weekend?
yeah,
When is it?
we gotta be there.
What day?
We're
no,
gonna
we'll
be
go
there.
right down there.
Oh, yeah.
I'm serious. I'll
Yeah.
ride down there for
Come,
the
we're going.
couple hours.
Doug, what day is our? Doug, what day are our?
Hey, hey, the balloon festival's in Albuquerque.
What
We're
day is
going
our tickets? He's like, let's ride.
Saturday.
We're going Saturday.
We're going.
You can totally come along if you want. It'd be
I've been
fun.
watching on TV.
I'm mostly going to see if we meet your YouTubers.
Yeah, that thing.
We're not working down there. I'm supposed to work.
Well, I can't find deer. Hey, you
Max,
gotta
wait.
jump.
You might want to step back.
Wait, Max.
I don't think I've ever seen a bike that big. Whoa! He's getting ideas. Yeah. Max is like, yeah. Wait, wait.
Well, I can't find deer. Hey, you gotta
Max,
jump.
wait. You might want to step back.
Wait, Max.
I don't think I've ever seen a bike that big. Whoa! He's getting ideas. Yeah. Max is like, yeah. Wait, wait. Okay, show me what.
And it's the world's most biggest test.
Whoa! Awesome.
Mom, so Alan told me he can't even hold her for like 30 seconds or she'll run away. I'm like, I'm done. But now, like, she's like,
She's our cousin.
she's perfect.
That's my cousin Dusty. That's his daughter.
You guys need to adopt a girl. I'm like, look, I could be her mother for all I care.
She's so like happy with you. She's just like chilling.
This is why I did this to her.
Avery.
I did this to her.
Is it Avery or Avriana?
Avriana.
Avriana. I like your binky. I like your binky.
And she's cute.
Well, you can feed the duck. Okay, I'll bring it.
I don't want to.
Okay, that's okay. It's not scary.
It's too scary for you. Okay, you don't have to. You don't have
Listen to
to.
their motorcycles again. I've tried this before. He was like, all like, and then it was like gang gang.
Tell me about Roger.
Okay, so Roger.
For some reason, I thought you didn't finish. I'm like, is he going to dance or something?
So,
Wait, come on.
so Roger, like, he used to be like a garden type of person. Like, he used to do garden stuff and like pick apples and stuff and wear plaid shirts. But now he's like wearing leather jackets and like riding motorcycles and stuff. Now he's all like rebel, bro.
So you show up and you're like,
Yeah, I'm like, I walk out, I'm like,
who are you?
I'm like, hey, wait a minute. And then I see his jacket, I'm like,
Roger?
you broken jacket, you broken. And then when I saw
Alter
the
ego.
motorcycle, I was like, that must be someone else's. Cause
Do you know what an
that's
alter
not-
ego is? It's like when you have one personality. Hey, stop, stop! I'm running by a car.
Gang gang.
It's like when you have one. It's like when you have one personality one day and a different personality another day.
That was me the first day of school. Just kidding. Sad, but happy.
I'm surrounded. Mom, I hate
All right, it's time for Wyatt and Max's obstacle course.
I take a picture of the fire. 3. Freedom, Mom. Freedom. 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 We're almost done. Freedom. Freedom. Mom, it smells so good. Mom, it smells so good. Hey, isn't that second kid? Mom, it's sunset time.
Okay, what's next, guys?
This is the end, Mom. I'm really bored and tired.
I'm gonna call you Freedom Boys.
Yeah, freedom boys. you know, freedom.
Yeah.
Wait, what about this part? Mom.
Did you start it again?
Mom.
You got a band-aid on something? Oh no.
There's more
I forgot right here.
Camping needs a lot of band-aids, huh?
There's more white flowers over there.
Okay.
That's why Boy Scouts always need to be.
All right, can I stop now and watch the sunset, boys?
Well, we're almost done.
Okay, finish.
No, you're not. There's a lot more to do.
Mom? Oh, yeah, there's tons of more.
Okay, I'm gonna